guys, this is Nicolette. Last week I spoke with my Clever with Canva Facebook members and we spoke about how Canva was changing the color palette features in Canva. And initially we were kind of sad to see the circles going. What had happened is a lot of people were complaining about their designs not loading or Canva being super slow. And that's because what's happening is on the back end, Canva's making a whole lot of changes and exciting changes. So I want to show you really quick what's new about the Canva palette and also how you can now have unlimited color palettes. So that's really cool. Let me show you really quick. Okay, so if you jump into an existing Canva design and you click to change the background or the font, you'll notice over here that there's a square. Before that used to be a circle. And now what you have is a breakdown of your document color, your primary colors. So when you have Canva for Work and you go in the back end and you add in your brand colors, that is going to be your primary colors. Then you have your default palette, and then over here you have got 15 default palette colors. Then if you have Canva for Work and you go into your brand kit, you will notice over here that you have your primary colors, and you can keep adding to that, and then you can add a new palette. I'm just going to create a really random one, and I'm going to call this, maybe this is an ebook. And then I'm going to create another. So if you wanted to delete a color, what you do is you just hover over it and then there'll be an X and you just click on that X. Same goes for all the others. And if you need color palette inspiration, you can just click over here. So now let's go back into our design and I'm just going to refresh this page. And now when we go to change the color, you'll see that I have the document colors, I have my primary colors, and then I have my Style Essentials ebook and my Clever with Canva worksheet. So those are the two examples that I created. And so the great thing is that if you have Canva for Work, these are going to be in every single document. Why is this great? When you have got your primary colors for your website, but you have different projects with their own individual color palettes, this is going to make creating templates and creating designs for those projects a whole lot easier. This is just another way that Canva for Work has created a really cool way for us to design faster and be more organized in our design process. I'd love to know what you think about this color palette change. I get a lot of questions about what the limit is for your brand kits and your color palettes, and if you're able to have 2 brand kits inside of Canva. So this is a good way for you to save the colors for multiple projects. Thank you so much for watching, friend, and I'll see you next time.